Hello everyone, welcome to the Data Diva webinar series, where we're bringing clarity to your data one training at a time. I am your host, Sherry Curtical. This program is CRM Emails Part 1, Creating Email Templates in Zoho CRM. Creating an email template is a great way to ensure your message stays true to the brand or strategy, while still allowing you to customize that message to the unique individual. Last month, we covered list creation and discussed ways to ensure you were collecting and storing the right data so it could be used how and when you needed it. Today, we're going to look at one of those practical uses. Whether you're currently using Zoho CRM or are considering it, you will find benefits to the information we'll discuss. You'll learn basics such as creating email folders, creating the email template, inserting merge fields, attaching documents, and then of course moving into the advanced uploading HTML files. But before we begin, let's start with defining some of the terminology. We covered most of these in our last webinar, so just take a moment to read through those. But I'd also like you to pay special attention to the relationship field, as we will be referencing this later in the program. Just like the data in your CRM, your communication will need to be grouped by criteria that you deem important. Perhaps it's grouping by prospects versus clients, or maybe it's industry specific. Perhaps you'll communicate regularly with a member-based group. Whatever the category, you'll want to be able to quickly identify where those like-minded email communications are for quick access. Let's take a look at how we'll set up a folder in Zoho CRM. The nice thing about this feature is that it is available regardless of the Zoho subscription that you may have. This particular example is from a free edition of Zoho CRM. The first thing you want to do is log into your CRM, then click the Setup link in the upper right corner of your screen. Your screen may look slightly different with more options depending on the CRM edition you have, but the link you want to find will be under Templates and will be called Email Templates. Click this link. You will be taken to the Email Templates section. From here, click on New Template Folder. This is where you'll create your folders to house your many email templates for a particular group. Now, it will pop open a box here and prompt you to name your folder and give it a description. Be sure and add the description. This is important later when you have a whole list of folders. It really helps you identify which folder is the appropriate one. And then, of course, don't forget to save your work. If you have multiple users in your CRM, you will also have the option to restrict access to a folder. Your folders will be listed under your public email templates folder in the order for which they were created. These will not be listed in alphabetical order. Now that your folders are created, let's build an email template. We're going to go back to the email templates in the templates section of setup. Remember that was in your upper right-hand corner. But this time, we're going to click on New Template. When you create your template, be sure you follow these steps. Step 1, choose the module in your CRM for which your emails will be directed. Then give your template a distinct name so you recognize it in a list of other templates. Again, the record type, this may be leads, it may be contacts, whatever your particular modules are in your CRM, this is to whom this email template will be directed. Step 2, choose your template folder. We just created one, so we see it listed here in the choices, webinar registrants. Step 3, this will default to the user setting up the template, but you can change it to another user if you want. Step 4, this is the subject line that the email recipients will receive in their inbox. So make sure it's eye-catching, something that will grab their attention and want them to open the email. Step 5, this is the box to use your email signature set up in the Account Information section under Personal Settings in Setup. Now we're going to scroll down and add the customization through Mail Merge. Under Available Merge fields, seen here, it will default to User. If you click on it, you can choose from the module chosen above or a connected module. Now, a connected module are modules that have a relationship field. Remember, we saw that in the definition. Write your email in the body. In the places where you want to add personalization, select the field name and then copy, paste the merge field into your email as shown here. So we chose the leads module. The field name that we want is first name, and then they give you that merge field value that you can copy and paste where the hand pointer is, and you drop it in your email where the highlight is. Using this method, coupled with the data that you are collecting in your CRM, you can personalize an email to include dates, products, last time you spoke, etc. If you are collecting the data in a field in your CRM, you can add it to an email template. So moving on, when an attachment is too large, or you want to ensure the email will load on someone's mobile device, then a hyperlink works great. Adding one to your email is very simple. Let's look at this example. In this email, we have "Click here" text, where we'll add a hyperlink to a web page. Highlight the text for which you want to add the hyperlink. Next, click on the hyperlink icon. Then, in the pop-up box, add your hyperlink. If you want to add a hyperlinked email address, such as a Contact Us call to action, be sure that you select email instead of URL next to type. Once the hyperlink is in place, you can bold and change the color of your font to whatever you prefer. Now, very important note here is that this is a pop-up box, so if you have pop-up blockers on, this will not work. So make sure that you disable your pop-up blocker prior to adding hyperlinks. Now, occasionally a hyperlink won't do, and you need to attach an actual document. No problem. So back to our email here. Click here where it's shown Attach Files, where you see the hand. A window will open so you can choose the file in which to attach. Again, this is a pop-up window. Once attached, you'll see the file listed to ensure it will be part of your email. Now, we mentioned adding videos to emails. If sending a video through a CRM email template or a mail merge, you will have to do it through a hyperlink. There is no way to embed the video in the CRM version of a template. Now, a suggestion might be that you can add an image, such as a video play button, and hyperlink the image to denote the video. You can do this the same way that we did the text hyperlink by highlighting the image and then clicking on the hyperlink icon to open up the pop-up box to allow you to add the hyperlink. Now, sometimes you want a bit more finesse to your emails, a certain level of branding or customization. If you are savvy with HTML or using tools like Dreamweaver, you can import your pre-designed email. Let's see how this works. First, create your designed email and save your HTML code. This will be done in an HTML editor or a program such as Dreamweaver, something of that nature. Then, come back to your CRM and create your template, filling out all of the top section like we did earlier. Next, click on the HTML icon in the WYSIWYG, or stands for What You See Is What You Get. This will open up the HTML editor. Now again, this is a pop-up. In the HTML editor, add your HTML code here. You can preview your email right from within the editor. When you feel it's good, click Insert and add it to your template. Once inserted, save your email template and you're all ready to go. So, in summary, we discussed how to create folders to organize your templates. We also learned that with multiple users, we can restrict access to specific folders. We discussed creating a template and how to link it to specific modules. We talked about how to add customized messaging through mail merging your CRM fields into an email message. We learned how to attach files to an email. And we learned how creating specialized emails through the use of HTML code can be added to your template. So now that we've created the templates, if you join us next month, you'll learn how to send them. We have an upcoming webinar in March on CRM Emails Part 2, sending customized emails through your Zoho CRM. I'd like to thank you for joining us. For those of you who have further questions about the material covered in today's presentation and would like to take them offline, please feel free to contact us directly. Holistic Business Solutions will play host to many upcoming events, both live and virtual. For more information, including complete details and registration, visit us at www.holisticbusinesssolutions.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.